So what you're going to do is grab your leather, grab a pencil, trace it, get your knife, cutting board, cut on a line. I'll cut. So you get the hole punch. Put the hole there, and there, so that way it'll connect. 1, 2. Put all your rivets in. Fold that flap over, rivet them together, punch the holes, the usual. Rivets, stamp them 2 together, smooth the sides. The water for stiffening, the knife will keep the form of the leather. Now it's time to hang. Take your knife down. Take the knife out of the sheath. Choose your leather. Gloves. Get your swab and your leather dye. This is a dark brown. Apply it to the leather. Then let it dry. Take it off the hanger. Grab your sheath and your super sheen and start swabbing it. You want to do all over. Let it hang. Let's take it off the hanger again. Get ready to put some more super sheen on it. Grab your super sheen and your swab and dip it in and start swabbing. Again, get all over. Let's get it sealed. Let's put it back on the hanger. Let it dry. Let's take it off the hanger one more time. Looking at this sheath, it's a pretty good sheath. It's all sealed, all shiny, all nice. Let's get the knife, make sure it fits. Snap it. Oh yeah. Okay, that's pretty good. Now let's talk about some of the tools that you've seen in this video. This is a knife / box cutter. As you can guess, it's for cutting the leather. This is a hole punch. It's for punching holes in leather. You can use it to make extra holes in your belt or holes for rivets. The spiral thing on top is for different sizes of holes. This is a rivet. You put the 2 pieces together and then hit them together with an anvil and a punch. This is an anvil and a punch. You use it to punch rivets together. This is an edger. It puts a smooth edge on the piece of leather that you have. This is a swab brush. It is used to apply liquids onto leather. This is one of many kinds of leather dye. It's used to change the color of the leather. This is super sheen. It seals and makes the leather shiny. 1 coat seals the leather. Any more than that makes the leather shine. So basically, this is how to make a simple leather sheath. Thanks for watching.